In our mold company, we have a chemical that we've been using for years to spray or fog into the spaces we were working on. This regular fungicide was easy to turn into a mist, a fog that goes into every little corner and crevice. That way we know everything got hit, even if we couldn't brush it. Our technician will show up in appropriate protective gear. We'll mix the solution on the spot so you can see what we're using. Anybody can disinfect a house. It's easy. We just have to wipe down the high-risk areas like countertops and doorknobs, handrails, light switches. You don't have to clean everything to do a good job, but sometimes it's hard to know how far to go. This same process can also be used on cars. When we spray this, it gets into everything, and then we wipe down the steering wheel and the door and the dashboard, all the commonly touched areas. It's simple, doesn't take long at all, and it's very easy to do. But it won't damage any of your furnishings or antiques or carpets, but it does do its job everywhere. So if you have a family member that has a big house, or an older relative that can't clean everything, or you have a business and you just want to get it done, this is the fastest, most economical way to cover everything and get it done. If you need help, we're here. Call us 703-328-8903.